In this video, we are learning how to join our eBidding auctions. Once your account is verified, select an eBidding auction to join.
Please make sure your deposit balance is sufficient before joining an auction. Select the vehicle that you are interested to bid and tap Bid Now.
Enable the bid button before placing your bid and always disable it once you are not bidding. Check the app frequently because other bidders can always outbid you. If you are too busy, you have the option to set max bid amount. Max bid will allow you to choose any amount which is higher than the starting bid. Once the max bid is set, even if you are outbid, the system will automatically counterbid for you until your max bid amount is reached.
Easy monitoring of your bid items. Go to Myebids in your dashboard to have an overview of the items you placed a bid on. You can also keep track of your winning bids or easily bid on an item you are outbid. If a bid comes in 20 seconds before the auction ends, sniper time kicks in. Go to your Myebids when sniper time kicks in. Place a bid to outbid your opponent. Every time a bid is placed in the last 20 seconds, the auction will be extended for another 5 minutes until the last bid stands. Don't forget to check your dashboard to see your purchase history.
Congratulations! You have learned to bid now. Follow us for more tips and tutorials.